Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the power button flex on the iPhone 11. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, take out the screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the edges of the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the edges. Next, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom. Gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free up the rubber gaskets around the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Once the screen is free, open the screen to a 90-degree angle from left to right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, undo the 5 screws to remove the display connector shield. Next, remove the battery connector shield by undoing the 3 screws. Be gentle with the display cables while unscrewing. Once the shields are removed, first disconnect the battery connector and then unplug the two display connectors, followed by the APS assembly connector from the logic board. And now you can free the screen from the body. Next, remove the faulty power button flex cable from the device. First, remove the battery. Next, remove the shield by undoing the two screws. Disconnect the two camera connectors and remove the rear camera module from the body. Next, disconnect the two camera connectors and remove the front camera assembly. Next, remove the logic board from the device. First, remove the top shield by undoing the screw. Then disconnect the three top side connectors. Next, remove the top logic board screw and carefully lift the grounding bracket. Next, remove the bottom shield by undoing the two screws. Next, disconnect the three connectors on the bottom side of the logic board. And then carefully lift and remove the logic board while moving the flex cables aside. Next, remove the two screws securing the power button flex cable. Please note that two other flex cables are routed above the power button flex. Gently move them aside before removing the cable. Next, remove the two screws securing the bracket near the camera area. This section of the flex cable includes the flash module and top microphone. Apply gentle heat to soften the adhesive. Then carefully peel the faulty power button flex cable from the frame. Next, install the new power button flex cable. First, position the flash module and top microphone correctly in the frame. Then align the power button section with the side opening. Secure the power button assembly with the two screws. You can also test the button response by pressing the power button from the outside. Next, route the flex cable correctly and reinstall the bracket near the camera area with the two screws. And then reposition the remaining flex cables over the power button flex route. Next, reinstall the logic board on the body. Before placing it into position, make sure no flex cables or antenna cables are trapped underneath or blocking the installation. Secure the logic board with the top screw. Next, reconnect the three flex connectors to the logic board and then reinstall the bracket and secure it with the screw. Next, connect the remaining three connectors to the board and then reinstall the second bracket and secure it with the two screws. Next, connect the charging port connector. Next, install the front camera and reconnect both camera connectors to the board. Next, install the rear camera and connect both camera connectors to the board. Finally, reinstall the camera shield and secure it by adding two screws. Finally, place and secure the battery with the adhesive. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape will not completely protect the device against any liquid. Next, gently align the front screen assembly with the frame. Start by connecting the earpiece plug. Then secure both display connector plugs. Once they are secured in place, reconnect the battery plug safely to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And secure the display connector shield by adding 5 screws and the battery shield by adding 3 screws. Next, install the screen. Begin by aligning the top edge of the display with the frame and then gently press down to lock it in place. Work your way along the sides and bottom to snap the screen securely to the frame. Always apply even pressure along the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure the phone by adding 2 screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.